Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Welcome to yet another Asvi vlog. So today's vlog is gonna be a little bit boring because it's just cooking and a few other stuff, random stuff. So why? Because I do not get that much time to shoot. I mean, like do vlogging. That's because I'm focusing more on other type of videos, especially Onam special videos. So I'm busy shooting that. That's the reason I couldn't vlog much. So basically, for breakfast, we are having dosa and coconut chutney and onion chutney. Ima is having dosa with ghee and a little bit of shredded coconut because she loves to have shredded coconut. So that's it for breakfast. And for lunch, I'll be preparing side dish with this beans and carrot. So I've chopped it. Actually, I do not like chopping this big, but then I didn't had that much time, so that's the reason I chopped it really big. And I'll be adding a little bit of haldi powder and this is salt, and I'll be just giving it a good mix with a little bit of water in it, and I'll just close it with lid. Let the stove be in simmer and let it cook for a while. For curry, I have taken pumpkin, and we are gonna make a curry for rice. Basically it's a mix of curd, coconut, and any vegetable, not any vegetable, but any vegetable which is gonna go well with this curry, we can add that. So I have taken pumpkin. I do not prefer taking pumpkin for this curry, but then I didn't had anything left in my kitchen. In my fridge actually. So I took that and cut it in small pieces, and I'll be adding, I have already added haldi powder and chili, not chili powder, it's salt. And then I'll be cooking it in cooker for one whistle. Meanwhile, I'll be giving this side dish a good mix and let it be in simmer for 5 more minutes so that it's cooked properly. And for curry, pumpkin is already cooked, one whistle has come out, so I'll keep it aside. And in a kadai, I will just do the seasoning, just mustard powder, mustard, not mustard powder, it's just mustard and fenugreek. That's it. I'll be just giving doing a tadka at first itself. And after that, I will be, in meanwhile, I have already prepared a mixture of coconut, green chili, and adrak, that is ginger. Both these together I have made it in a fine pasty consistency, which I'll be adding to this for the curry. And also I have already added curry leaves. So this is how it looks like. This is as I said, this coconut, a small piece of adrak, and 2 or 3 green chili. So I've put it in blender and added mixer and given it good mix. So this is how it looks like. So this is the gravy. And then to that I'll be adding a little bit more of chili powder because I felt like it is low, it was, chili was not at all there, so I added a little bit of chili powder as well. And then I'll be adding this pumpkin to it, cooked pumpkin to it, and then I'll be giving it good mix. I'll be mashing this pumpkin a little bit so that it just blends into the curry really well and it's more tasty. I don't know if you guys make it in this way. Even I do not make it in this way. I don't know if it is right or wrong, but then I just prepare whatever is available with me. I mean, whatever vegetable is available with me, I will take that and I just make whatever I feel like. That's how it works, because you guys know time constraints. For tea time, I usually do not have tea, coffee, nothing, not even milk. Sometimes I have milk, but then today I was feeling a little low because in between I did shoot a video and I was feeling so tired, so I thought that I will make a lemon tea. For that, I've taken 2 glasses of water. To that I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then half a tablespoon of tea dust. And then I'll be mixing it really well, let it boil really well. I really love, how many really have I have already said. So please forgive me for that, guys. So I actually love this lemon tea very much. I absolutely love it. I feel that it's good for tummy, like stomach. If you have some digestion problem and all, it's good for that as well. So after that, once it is boiled, I'll switch off flame and add half a lemon juice to it, and then obviously strain it. And then that's it, guys. It's so tasty. I feel it to be really refreshing, and I feel that it's really nice. So me and my husband, we both are gonna have it. So Ima was sleeping. She actually sleeps at 2:30. Sometimes I try to make her sleep by 12:30 after having lunch, but then today she was playing a lot, and she slept by 2:30, and now it's almost 3:30 for 4ish actually. So she will wake up in between. By the time it's 4 or yeah, by the time it's 4 she will wake up. So by the time I had this lemon tea, and my husband was also there, and I felt so good. And by the way guys, I was wearing this Stay Quirky liquid lipstick, and I was just testing it out. It's really good. So after that I took a shower, and I'll be preparing dinner. And for dinner, I had this boneless chicken. I chopped it in very, very small pieces, and I had marinated it with a little bit of pepper powder and also salt. And once it is done, I'll be cooking it in cooker for one whistle, so that it's cooked really, really soft. And now, basically, I'm gonna make a chicken roll. That's what I'm gonna make. So for that I have chopped onion, one tomato. To that I'll be adding 1 spoon of mayonnaise, and then after that I'll be adding another mayo which has got mint in it. It is actually mint mayo. So I'll be adding that. I just eyeball it. I do not know the measurement. Not many people ask me the exact recipe, but I don't know guys. I'm not a good cook. I don't feel so. I love cooking. I'm not great at measurement. I just eyeball things, and that's how it works for me. And after that I have added honey mustard mayo, and then I have added little bit of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. I think it's tomato ketchup, and then oregano, and this hot and sweet powder. It has got a little of chili and salt to it. So I will be mixing it really well. In between I tasted, and then I realized that I forgot to add salt. So obviously we need to add salt, and I've also added a little bit of pepper powder, and also I have added green peas, cooked green peas, and corn, which was biggest mistake I made. I shouldn't have added corn. I didn't like the taste at all. Actually I usually make this roll very frequently, but with no corn, green peas and all. Green peas was fine actually, but then corn taste was something horrible. My husband did like it, but then I personally didn't like the taste of corn. By the way, let me know guys, do you add corn to this kind of rolls? I was trying it for the very first time, and I didn't like it at all. So I had only one roll. I actually made 4 of them, two for myself, two for my husband. It didn't work out. So it's okay, next time I can correct it, right? So basically I made 4, actually 5 rolls I guess. Yeah, and for Ima I gave her chapati and dal. I already made dal, and I had kept it in fridge, so I'll be giving her dal and chapati. And very next day I didn't film, and I mean, like, I didn't shoot anything like breakfast and lunch and all. I mean, basically this is lunch. I didn't shoot breakfast actually. I'm so sorry guys, I was pretty busy. So for lunch there's nothing special. There was leftover curry, yesterday's curry, and I cooked rice, and even I had this leftover side dish as well. So I had to prepare the something extra, so I thought I will prepare chicken, some kind of dry dish. So for that I already had this leftover chicken. Boiled chicken was there. So first I'll be sauteing one onion and a little bit of curry leaf and tomato really well with salt and a little bit of coconut oil. And once it is done, I'll be adding this red chili flakes to it, and then haldi powder, usual masalas, whatever you want you can add it. And then main specialty is that I'll be adding shredded coconut to it. So if you guys haven't tried it out, this method, it's really nice guys. I really liked it. And then I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut and giving it good mix so that it's cooked really well, it's sorted really well. We need not add any drop of water at all at this point. So once it is done, maybe if you want we can add capsicum, Yeah, I have already added capsicum, so I'll be adding capsicum, and I'll be close it with a lid and let it go cook for 5 not 5 minutes, let it go for 2 to 3 minutes, so that this capsicum and everything, tomatoes, everything is cooked. After that, I will be adding cooked boneless chicken to it, and I'll be mashing it really well, so that everything does blend together really well, just like our makeup. So just that, I want those masalas and everything to get in chicken really well, so that it tastes really yummy. So I have mixed it all really well, and that's it, guys, it's done. By the way, in between, after having lunch, we got a parcel from First Cry. I actually had ordered quite a lot of I mean, like, dresses for Ima. So already one parcel was already we got one parcel, and I think one, you guys must have already seen one of that dress in my previous haul, which Ima was wearing for park. And this is the next parcel. After getting parcel, I realized that I had already ordered the same t-shirt before, so I got the same t-shirt again. So that's again a bummer, but that's okay. Anyways, I will be doing a haul video very soon. I just wanted to make Ima wear everything, so that I can show you guys the pictures, and also I just wanted to wash it and see the quality as well, so that I can give you guys a better review about it. So anyways, a review will be coming up pretty soon. So after that, evening time, we went out to beach and three Kings church.
കുട്ടി ഇങ്ങനെ കരയാ, കുട്ടി ഇങ്ങനെ ചുമയ്ക്കാ, കുട്ടി ഇങ്ങനെ തുമ്മാ. ഷോ, ഒരു പാട്ട് പാടുവോ?
This is Velsavu beach, which is very near to our place. It's just 2 or 3 kilometers, that's it. So I think you guys must have already seen this beach. I have already shown you in some of my vlogs, I guess. So it was really less crowded. Usually the South Goa beaches are very less crowded. Above that, it's monsoon season. It's not pakka monsoon season, but still it's kind of monsoon season, so people do not prefer going to beaches, obviously. So it was very less crowded, and it was just us and one more family, that's it. But we felt that this waves were very harsh, so we were a little scared to be with Ima there, because she wanted to run near to water, so which is really scary. So we actually I mean went away from beach, and there is a sitting area like so near to beach itself. It's actually just near to the entrance of beach. So we just we just were playing. Ima will run and we will run behind her, just like so. She loves to play, especially during evening time. If we do not take her out, she gets so irritated. I think it's the same with all the babies, especially if you do not have lot many people at your home. If you are just a mom and baby, it's gonna be much more difficult, because they get irritated, because it's just you handling baby, and they do not have much entertainment, so they get bored. Of course, that's very natural. So we make it a point that we take her out every single day, so that she's not that irritated, she's happy. Basically, that's what we want to. We want our baby to be happy, right? So we try and take her out every single day. If not to beach, we will try to just take her for a walk. So that's something we do without any fail. So after that, we went to this Three Kings church. Again, I have done a vlog about this, because it's a haunted place, you guys. It's haunted place. It's known as haunted place, and so during night time and all, no one is allowed to come here. It's basically that some king, there was some issues happening in this church. There was actually a king staying there, and he actually did suicides. There's something actually like that. So it's people say that, some of the people say that they have seen some ghost here. That's what people say, but then it's a beautiful place, guys. Anyways, we haven't seen any ghost till then. Again, this place is not that crowded. Sometimes it might be a little crowded, but then I can't say it as crowded place. It's very peaceful and nice place, guys. It has got very good atmosphere. nice fresh air to breathe. I absolutely love this place. Not just me, we all love this place. Ima has a lot of space to run around, and it's a beautiful place. So so again, it was almost 6:30, and we thought that we will come, and I had to prepare dinner as well. So we then in between Ima wanted for a cake because last day we went for a birthday party, and she got to see that baby was cutting cake, and she was like baby ko bhi cake chahiye बोल के she was very adamant. She wanted to cut cake, so that's the reason we bought a cake, and we sang happy birthday to you, even though it's not her birthday, but still she wanted to sing that. So we all sang this happy birthday to you and cut this black forest cake. It was yummy, guys. And after that I prepared dinner. It was nothing, it was just chapati and dal curry, so that's the reason I didn't shoot. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.